Basking sharks, scientific name, Cetorhinus maximus, are the second to largest fish species in the world, after the whale shark. They are slow to moving, filter to feeding sharks that are found in temperate and cold waters around the world. Basking sharks are generally brownish to gray in color, with a lighter underbelly. They can grow up to 11 meters, 36 feet, in length and weigh up to 4,000 pounds, 1,800 kilograms. Basking sharks are found in temperate and cold waters around the world, including the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, and the Mediterranean Sea. They prefer waters between 8 and 14 degrees Celsius, 46 to 57 degrees Fahrenheit, and are often found near the surface. Basking sharks are filter feeders, feeding primarily on zooplankton such as copepods and krill. They swim slowly with their mouths open, filtering water through their gill rakers to capture food. Basking sharks are solitary animals, except during mating season. They are known for their slow, graceful movements near the surface of the water, and can sometimes be seen breaching, leaping out of the water. Basking sharks are classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to overfishing, accidental bycatch, and habitat degradation. They are protected by law in many countries, including the UK and the EU. Basking sharks have a unique ability to regulate their body temperature, allowing them to swim in colder waters than many other shark species. They do this by shunting warm blood from their muscles to their internal organs, which helps to maintain a constant body temperature. Basking sharks are oviparous, which means they lay eggs. The female can carry up to 6 embryos at a time, which hatch inside her body before being born as live young. The gestation period is thought to be around 2 years. Basking sharks are known to undertake long-to-distance migrations, with some individuals traveling thousands of kilometers across the ocean. The reasons for these migrations are not well understood, but they may be related to feeding, mating, or seasonal changes in water temperature. Basking sharks face a range of threats, including overfishing for their meat, oil, and fins, accidental bycatch in fishing nets, and habitat degradation. They are also vulnerable to collisions with boats and ships. In recent years, efforts have been made to protect basking sharks through international agreements and conservation measures. Basking sharks play an important role in marine ecosystems as filter feeders, helping to regulate populations of zooplankton and other small organisms. They are also an important food source for larger predators, such as killer whales and great white sharks. Despite their large size and ecological importance, basking sharks are still poorly understood in many respects. Research is ongoing to better understand their biology, behavior, and population dynamics, and to develop effective conservation strategies to protect them. Overall, basking sharks are fascinating creatures that play an important role in marine ecosystems, but are facing significant threats from human activities. Efforts to protect and conserve these sharks are important to ensure their survival for future generations.